Hello guys, today I will show you how to create an explosion. You will need an overlay of an explosion and an overlay of some crack, the consequence of the explosion. I will be using episode original background, exploding this building. First, let's create an overlay out of front buildings to make it look more real. Right-click on the picture and copy it. Open Photoshop, create new file. It will already have the proportions we need. And choose a transparent background. Here it is. Now choose polygonal lasso tool and trace the front buildings. If you've made a mistake, press delete and it will take you a step back. Once you finish tracing, press Ctrl+I to inverse select the background which we no longer need and then press delete. Save this image in PNG format and upload it in the art gallery as an overlay. Add this overlay to the background and place it at layer 3, for example. Reset the zoom. Let's create another speech bubble before the explosion and after the explosion. Now we can create the explosion overlay. Make it visible with opacity command. Let's place the explosion overlay to layer 2, so it will be behind the buildings. Let's hide the speech bubble by scaling it to 0%. Now we're going to reduce the explosion overlay in size and place it to the building we want to explode. Add these coordinates to the script. Then we need to make it bigger. Separate the opacity command and add the ampersand sign instead of at the beginning to let it run simultaneously with the next command. Let the explosion become visible in 0.3 seconds. And down below, write down the current coordinates of the explosion overlay, adding the duration of 0.8 seconds. Here we will add a transition to show the flash from the explosion. Then we will clear the explosion overlay And we will add the hole with cracks overlay, the consequence of the explosion. Make it visible. Now we only need to find the right spot for the hole with cracks overlay. Write down its coordinates in the script. In case you are confused, that's where I take the coordinates from. And the final step is adding the explosion sound. Perfect! Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was useful. See you in the next one.